Hello friends, this is your Unit 24 spelling test. Make sure your name is on your paper, and as always you can pause, rewind, and take your time during this test. There is no need to rush, so I suggest you pause in between each word because I'm going to go rather quickly. Okay, there are 10 words. Let's get started. Word number 1, hawk. We saw the red-tailed hawk sitting on the telephone wire. Hawk. Number 2, auto. If you say auto, that's usually short for automobile, which is another word for car. Auto. Number 3, saw. We saw a famous person at the drive-thru at McDonald's. Saw. Number 4, cause. A tornado watch is no cause for alarm. Cause. Number 5, draw. Please do not draw a picture with your writing piece. Draw. Number 6, pause. You might want to pause in between each of these words to give you time to write it down. Pause. Number 7, claw. The eagle had broken its claw on its one foot. Claw. Number 8, because. Because is a word used when you talk about cause and effect. Because. Number 9, yawn. When you are tired, you tend to yawn. Yawn. Number 10, sauce. She asked for extra sauce on her eggs. Sauce. Okay, that completes the spelling words. Now I'm going to read to you your 3 dictation sentences. Be sure you pause after each one to write the sentence down, and as always you can rewind and listen to it again. Okay? Sentence number 1, I saw the big claw on the hawk. Sentence number 2, if you yawn in the auto, you will need to pause. Sentence number 3, the red sauce will cause a bad stain. Okay, that completes your spelling test. Go back, rewind, listen to any of them that you may have missed or you want to double check. Make sure your name's on your paper. Good luck, friends.